Today's video, a $3 pallet wood TV console table. Stay tuned to see all about it.
Hey guys, I'm Daniel. I'm the husband behind LadyPrefersToSave.com, and today we'll be doing some DIY TV console tables out of pallets. Now the pallets you can find, a lot of places around town might be giving the pallets away for free. It's cheap, it's good wood. We'll talk about that later on, how to discern which ones are good and which ones you might not want to grab. I got two good sized pallets today. They're nice light wood. The reason for doing with pallets, one, they're free. It's free materials. You can get them, like I said, there's a lot of places to just give pallets away. Two, any material that you make with the pallets, if babies, children, fuzzies decide to mess something up, you can take a board, remove one piece and replace it, and you have your piece back to where it was before. Whatever happened to it, happened to it. Another thing is, a lot of high-end furniture you could buy is made out of presswood. And the presswood, you're not really getting your money's worth. So why spend $1,200, $1,300 on a living room set, one piece of furniture, and you can go get free materials, a little bit of sweat, a little bit of know-how, and make your own stuff, right? And you have more control about designs. Everything is you can Pinterest it, you can look stuff up, you can find some great designs online and make it your own, put your own spin on it. And with that, we'll talk about some of the tools you might need for this project. All right, guys, I have all the materials for the project right here. So let me go through some of the ideas, some of the suggestions I would have for doing it. Of course, an electric drill is always a must, especially since I'm going to be screwing in the pieces rather than trying to nail them together. I have a saw, like a nice little handheld saw that will easily cut through the boards when I need to. I have a sander, and you can see all these are powered by these battery packs. This cuts down on having to run a cord and kind of keep up with extension cords and stuff. Plus it's more eco-friendly as far as I'm concerned. I also have some wood screws that I'll be using to put the project together. And the piece de resistance is this. This is a pallet ripper. If you're interested in doing some projects with pallet wood, instead of having to take a pry bar and a hammer or mallet and get these apart, the pallet ripper can take a whole pallet apart in about 5 minutes if you have some practice using it. This is a really great piece of equipment. It's a little bit on the pricey side, but once you get it, it's well worth the effort. So with that, materials and the pallets, let's get started. All right, guys, one more thing before we get started. As you can see, this is Mexican heat-treated pallet wood, right? When you go looking for your pallet wood, you're looking specifically for heat-treated. Anything that isn't heat-treated is probably chemically treated with things like formaldehyde. Remember, this is for shipping, so they're not looking for in-home use. The heat-treated is what you want to stop exposing your kids and your pets and your family to any kind of harmful materials. So make sure you look for the HT on the pallets you're getting.
Friends, as you can see, this is the pallet wood TV console table that Daniel was able to build for around $3 worth of wood screws. And the reason that we put this together is we found this gem this past weekend on the side of the road, a 55-inch plasma TV that a family was just giving away. They had a note on it that said, "We have a new one, help yourself." We did verify with the homeowners that they were in actuality getting rid of the TV and not setting it aside for a charity pickup. So we scooped that up, knew we needed to build a table, and as you can see, here is the table. We did have to buy a stand and a remote to go with it, which was under $30 on Amazon.com, but all in all, a steal, $33 in, and I'm setting this up for a homework workstation in the dining room for my daughter this fall so that we can hook up Roku and have some child-appropriate and news-friendly kind of programs for her. I am, again, super excited about that. Everything came together flawlessly and I couldn't be happier. And with that said, have you taken on any new projects this year? Let me know about them below, or any projects that you would like to see Daniel put together. With that said, I'd love it if you'd hit that little red subscribe button. It lets me know you care. Turn on notifications. Give this video a thumbs up. And as always, please be kind to yourself and to others. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Thanks for watching.